In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a P2p sell order on Kucoin in 2025. We'll go through the process step by step to ensure that you successfully navigate the Kucoin platform and manage your orders efficiently. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Kucoin website, your go-to platform for crypto exchange and trading. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just open your preferred web browser and type in Kucoin's web address. Once you're there, your next step will be to log into your account. To do this, look for the Login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your login credentials and make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. It's always a good idea to use a secure password manager if you're juggling multiple accounts to enhance your online safety. With your credentials entered and verified, you should find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. This page acts as the command center from which you will access all the tools you need. Now, to cancel your P2p sell order, you need to focus on navigating to the P2p trading section. Look for the P2p trading link, which ideally is placed under a tab dedicated to various trading options. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the P2p trading page, there's an essential step that follows. It's time to focus your attention on the My Orders section. This is key, as it's home to all your active orders, whether they're buy or sell. Take a moment to locate this section. It's usually on the top menu bar or within a sidebar. Clicking on My Orders will display all your current and past transactions tied to your account. Here, you'll get a comprehensive view of your trackable orders. To identify the specific sell order you wish to cancel, do a careful look-through. Remember, accuracy here is paramount to ensure you're amending the correct transaction. Once you spot the order, you should see an option to cancel it right next to it, often labeled distinctly to avoid confusion. Great, you're almost done. Click on the cancel option when you're certain you've got the right order. This will trigger the cancellation process, and you may be prompted to confirm your action before it's finalized. As a side note, ensure you read any on-screen prompts carefully, in case there are specific conditions or notifications related to your transaction status. Congratulations! You've just successfully canceled your P2p sell order on Kucoin. Remember, managing your orders effectively not only keeps your trading organized, but also helps prevent unexpected outcomes in volatile markets. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy trading!